Hi everyone, this is Annie Nguyen and welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue with how I start up a restaurant business in Guelph City. Last video we already covered what do we need to start up a restaurant. So I talk about experiences and I also cover about credit score. Today, I will continue with that. And the next thing that you need to start up your restaurant business, it will be financial. So basically, you need to prepare a lot of money. You need to save a lot of money. So like I mentioned before, to open a restaurant, like small, medium restaurant nowadays, it costs you about 300 to 500,000 Canadian in Canada to open one right now. The one I have is only have about 30 chairs. The unit I have is about 1,600 square feet. And now to open that size is probably, it will cost like brand new to build everything from scratch. It costs you about 400, 500 nowadays. So keep in mind, it depends on, the size that you want to build. For example, if you want to build Boston pizza, you know how much it costs for Boston pizza nowadays? It's about 1.5 million to start up, to build Boston pizza. Just only the starting cost for you to build it up. So imagine that. That's either the big size, right? But it's also because you franchise. I'm going to cover about franchise later. But yes, you have to prepare a lot. You have to prepare your financial really secure. What happened in why financial is of course is the key to run your business. The first 2 to 3 years for startup is going to be very tough because you new to the market. You learning your business as you go. So you learn about the traffic, what kind of food that sell or not. You learn about your customer. You learn about your supplier. Everything that you still in the state of learning process. So because even though let's say it costs you 300 to 500 to build a restaurant, medium size, in the first 2 to 3 years, you're gonna prepare at least another 50% of whatever starting cost that you already put in. So the first couple years in my business, I didn't pay myself. So that's the money that go back into the business. My mom and my brother didn't get paid properly either. So all that money we put back into the business for like more than 2 years. So imagine that. That's how much you have to put back into your business. But like you still have living, right? You still have expensive that to run your family. So don't just put everything you have into the business and then the first 3 years when of the starting up business is always cost more money than you can imagine. Like I said, you have to prepare at least 50% of your starting cost. And that number is go even more, but I said at least 50%. If you have a good credit score or you have a house, you can take some of your equity out, but it's risky, right? If you can take a loan from your family member, and then that's also a source that you have to go. But slightly because you cannot use your business to go to the bank and ask for a loan because your business is still very young. I did not understand that when I was in that state. For the first 2-3 years, I did not understand. When I go to the bank, I need more cash flow. And I went to the bank and then they look at my business. It's not making money yet, of course. Based on the business, they will not loan you any penny. Okay, even you go to different bank, it doesn't matter where you go into, unless you go to private one that you gonna pay like interest like $1 million, which is you don't have at that time. You still have to the business themselves not making money yet, right? So you can't even pay yourself yet. So people will look at your business, nothing personal here. They look at your business is not making money. That's why they cannot loan you anything, because how you gonna pay them back, right? That's why some people have to take their equity from their house. They have to borrow from relative, from family, from friends. That's what I did. And again, you have to make sure that you have to somehow you have income that cover for your mortgage, for your insurance, for your house, for your food, for everyday living. If you have children, how are you going to cover for your children as well? So financial I think it's the number one reason why so many startups fail, because they cannot keep up. They don't have enough financial support to keep up. That's why the first 2-3 years people bankrupt, run out of business very easy, because it's not that the idea of your business is not working. It's not that you don't have enough, you don't make good food or whatever. It's not that. It's just, first of all, you're not popular enough. People don't know about you much. And then your business is not really making profit yet, because you still on the process of introduce yourself to community, to the market, right? So that's one of another reason why people, I'm gonna cover from another video, but that's also one of the number one reason why we should franchise. I'm gonna talk about franchise in another video. But yes, if you want to start off something completely yours from scratch, it's brand new, and it will take time to build. Nothing good will just gonna, you create it and then everyone will love it right away. People need to know about it, and then have to try, and consistency. You have to keep your business, the quality, everything, the service. There's so many things in there that you have to keep up and maintain. Maintenance is very, very difficult too. It's actually more difficult than startup. We're gonna cover that in another video. But yes, financial support. Make sure that you have enough source. Let's say that it costs you $300,000 to start up. You know that in the next 2-3 years, you have to be able to source another $150,000 to $200,000 to pump into your business. And also you have to make sure that you also have enough financial support to support your everyday life as well. Otherwise, you're going to be so stressed. So yes, make sure that you have enough financial support for your business, for your new business. All right. And that will be number one reason why so many startups fail in the first 2-3 years. More than 80% startup will fail in the first 5 years, and financial is one of the number one. So please take care of your financial before you actually step into this, because you commit a lot, not just like your time, your passion, whatever you name it, but it's a lot of investment, all your money, all your saving from, 10, 20 years. You borrow from everyone that you know. It's all in here. So make sure that you know that you have strong financial support when you actually step into this business. All right. So I hope that's helped. All right. Financial support, get enough money before we get into this, or at least you know that you can find money if you need it to support your new baby. All right. Thank you for watching, and we'll see everyone next video. Have a nice day.